Got one already. Alright, he got off. We're out of here. All I needed was that one bite. So know that the smallies are still on rocks like they usually are. So I am not going to beat up these fish. Just gonna leave them alone. And we'll make sure that we check out rocks on tournament day. Smallie. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. I felt the bite on the jig, and I just have to set the hook. We're right at 14.5, so not a bad tournament fish. Hopefully he comes back next week. There we go. Largemouth on the chatterbait. He's not too big, he's probably in the 15s. Oh man, that thing crushed it. Another smallmouth. Yeah, they're down there. They're just being a little picky, but that's a pretty good one. It's probably 16 and a quarter or so. In true Colorado fashion, our first tournament of the year is a Snowstorm, as you can probably see just by looking around here. CKFC, Colorado Kayak Fishing Club, with our first tournament out here on Boyd Lake today. I expect it to be a grind. Just getting a limit might even win this thing, so I don't know how much footage I'm going to get today, because of the wet conditions, it's not really great to run the GoPros all day, but I'm going to see, I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, let's stay tuned and we'll see if we can get on them. Go. Jig fell out when he was in the net too. Capture. Alright, first fish, 12 1/4. Alright, finally on the board, that's a good sign. Fish was out a little bit deeper, so we'll start targeting that with the jig. Lost contact of the jig, set the hook, and there he was. Capture. Okay, 14 1/4. Alright, we got 2. Need 3 more. Well, it's a fish. Saw him on LiQWYD, that was kind of fun. Alright everybody, that is it for today's video. Brutal conditions out here, pretty slow day, but I did have my chances. I caught 2 fish. I had a couple of bites where they bit the tail off of my trailer. I broke off on a hook set. I had another one that I felt, and then I set the hook a little too late on that one. So overall it was, yeah, a really tough day. Congrats to those who finished at the top. I don't know who won yet, but yeah, it was definitely tough out here. You really need to execute with those bites that you got. But anyways, thank you all again for watching today's video. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff goes a long way in helping me out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll catch you later.